Today I am going to start the poem number 1 having the title My Heart Leaps Up. This poem is written by the great romantic poet William Wordsworth. My Heart Leaps Up, also known as The Rainbow. This is a poem by the British romantic and nature poet William Wordsworth. Now I would like to introduce you about the poet William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth was a romantic poet and he is primarily a nature poet. He is known for his poems like Tintern Abbey, The Solitary Reaper, and the Lucy poems. And the present one poem, having the title My Heart Leaps Up, is one of his short lyrics about nature. The often quoted line or the famous proverb, child is the father of man, is from this poem. Now I would like to explain this proverb. The child is father of the man because a child has all the characteristics that grow along with him and become the characteristics of the man. In the same way, a growing man develops the characteristics he showed as a child. So, the poet wishes to tie each of his coming days with the worship and love of nature as childhood. That's why the meaning of this proverb, which is so apt. Now, I would like to introduce you the poem. This poem is published in 1807 and the poet William Wordsworth captures the innocent joy and wonder of a child on seeing a rainbow. That's why the subtitle of this poem, Rainbow, which is apt for this poem. Now, in detail, I would like to explain the title of this poem. The title of this poem, My Heart Leaps Up, is the first half line of the poem. My heart leaps up. It means the poets the poet also reveal the truth of the happiness here. That's why the title of this poem, My Heart Leaps Up, is apt. Now, the title of this poem, My Heart Leaps Up, reveals the content of the poem. Now, I would like to explain the central idea of the poem. In this lyric, the poet tells us how he is always thrilled, it means becomes happy at the sight of the beauty of nature. And here the poet glorifies the childhood and the glorification of the nature. That's why simply we can say the central idea of this poem is the glorification of childhood and the nature. Now, I would like to explain the stanza-wise explanation of the poem. Now, I am going to read the stanza number 1. My heart leaps up when I behold a rainbow in the sky. So was it when my life began. So it now I am a man. So be it when I shall grow old or let me die. Here, the poet says that whenever he sees the rainbow, his heart is filled with joy. He got the same joy in his childhood. Now he is a grown up man, but still he is filled with joy when he sees the rainbow in the sky. The poet wants to get the same happiness even when he will be old. In short, the poet wishes to be happy at the sight of the rainbow, and he would like to die if he does not get the happiness. In this way, here this is the explanation of the stanza number 1. Then I would like to read the stanza number 2. Now I am going to read the stanza number 2. The child is the father of the man, and I could wish my days to be bound to each by nature pity. Here the poet glorifies child as he does in some of his other poems. Here, the poet paradoxically says the child is the father of man. He has to say that the qualities of childhood continue to exist in one's manhood too. So, his love for the rainbow or the love for nature itself was present in him when he was a child. It is also seen in him when he is a man. In this sense, childhood is senior than manhood. Similarly, today's child is tomorrow's father, or or the human beings. Thus, childhood is manhood in the making. And finally, the poet hopes that the link of love for nature will bind all the days of his life together. This will make his old age as happy as his childhood. Briefly, the poet wishes to be filled with joy for whole of his life. In this way, this present one poem, having the title My Heart Lifts Up, expresses the poet's love for nature and the glorification of the childhood. Thank you very much.